Cargo Nm NORDBERG 18360 with a maximum force of 3,600 newtons per meter. It has 3 shockproof rubber pads. A wide additional handle made of non-slip material provides a reliable grip of the tool with both hands. The housing of the pneumatic wrench is made of metal, which provides excellent protection of internal components from mechanical damage. The size of the square is 1 inch. The pressure is 8 bar. There is a 3-position power control for twisting and unscrewing. The number of revolutions is 3,000 revolutions per minute with an average air consumption of 385 liters per minute. The elongated shaft allows you to work with a pneumatic wrench in narrow and hard-to-reach places. The wrench has a high resistance to overloads and large working resources. In general, the wrench for trucks NORDBERG allows not only to save time and effort, but also significantly increases the durability of the elements of threaded connections.